Trees, 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 treeeeees. Trees, 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 and red trees, reddish trees. These are good trees for privacy, and really are, these nice, beautiful trees are really the background of your landscape. All varieties, magnolia. I want to know all the names of the trees, but I don't. So I'll remember some of them, but they are all in stock right now. Beautiful trees for privacy. Weeping willow. We'll remember all of some of these guys. We just can't forget the names. And we got maples. You got red leaf. You got different ways to add color without having blooming flowers, which can cause adverse reactions for people with allergies. And so you have evergreen. These guys go fast. That one's sold. You gotta get another one. All of the trees. And when you want to add some privacy above your fence line, of course you got pine tree, crepe myrtles. You can get all those in. Now the crepe myrtles are flowering trees, just like the magnolia. It's got a little flowers getting ready to flower right now. So all the trees that you need, and these are all 30 gallon and 45 gallon. Free delivery. Call 904-321-9181. Did I miss any trees on this side? There's more trees. Of course, you got the big ligustrums. And these are very popular, especially for privacy between neighbors. Insert the commonly said saying regarding neighbors and shrubs here. You got some tropical shrubs and such over there as well. But this episode, we're going to talk about trees, trees, trees. This is a cool looking tree right here. I'm just going to point out some of the ones that I like. This guy's kind of interesting looking. It's green, different color, and some different shaped leaves. Interesting. And those different textures are what defines your landscape. The trees are the most permanent part of your landscape. And of course, we got the crepe myrtle row over here on the left. Hold on, there's something down here with yellow flowers. Let's take a look at that. Here's something that's a little bit different that would be a good selection for privacy. This is a different tree. Interesting. It's like a shrub, really. It's just grown straight up. Okay, let's check out this guy. He's got yellow flowers on him. That's a cool looking tree. All right. Here's some of the trees. There's much more. This is just one of our suppliers. I wanted to just show you some of the most popular trees. This is the tree line that they sell most of their trees out of. So let me know if you see anything here you like. 904-321-9181. Until the next time, peace.